Hi guys, my name is Umair and you're watching Umair's Workshop. Today I'm going to talk about what is a zip tie or cable tie and how it works and how we can use this to maximize our work effort and do the fast working as well. So if you can see, it comes in a lot of sizes. This is the smallest size you can see. This is a 4 inches and this is about like 8 inches size. So it is a low power of the ties you can see in the market. There are a lot of bigger powerful zip ties also, and this is a metal one. You can see it is called Jubilee clip, and this is called a clip. It is made of silicone. So let me show you how it works. So this is thing. If I'm going to put it if you can see, it have a lot of teeth. If you can see. Not showing, so it have a lot of teeth if you can see, and when I'm going to put it off, it will be only one way. It will not go back. Okay, so now it's not going back whatever I do, so it is very tight joint right now. It is only gonna go forward and not backward. So that's how we can make a lot of great joints if you want. So it is the thing, if you want to take off it is lock, just take it off it is lock and push it back. So it is the thing, be careful with that. You just have to push that lock and then push it back. So you will see it will be come out as well. So what is the benefit of using this zip tie is that you can, if you are using any kind of silicone tape like this one, you have to put it here like this, and you have to do all the hard work yourself, and then when you have put it, it can be easily put back. But if I'm using this zip tie over here and push it to the limit, and now you can see it is kind of difficult to take it out. It is very good grip, it is not letting it slip on it, and if you want to take it off like that, it is very difficult to do that. Let me show you full power. See, you have to do that much power to break it off. So now you can see it is going to make forward, and you can use it again. If it breaks up, you can use it again. See, so that was the thing. So if you are using a silicone tape, it might take off easily, and if you are using high power like this one or bigger one, so it will be very difficult to take it off. Just as if you are using any kind of rope to make them stay in a place like this, so it is difficult to take it out like that, but it can slip easily. See, there is no grip. So that's why professional workers use this zip tie or cable tie, which can be easily find it in a hardware stores. It comes in a packet, so it cost about like 1 cent or something like that, 1.5 cent. So if you like this video, this was just an update. It is a workshop item. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye.